and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm finally going to share with you a DIY that I made that you guessed in my last video what was going to be, and I finally did it. So I'm so excited to share that with you. You know that I have been reading, that I have an accent shirt, but I need like a small coffee table to complete my area. At first I used to have my accent chair there close to the bookshelf, but it's Christmas so I changed a few things. Now I have my accent chair here where the mantle is, and I moved the fire stove. Everything changed. Hopefully I can make a video soon, like a small house tour of my Christmas decoration. If you maybe would like that, let me know that in the comments so I can see your opinions about it. So basically I have like this accent chair here. It's like above the mantle, and I really need like a small round coffee table, can I say, or like side table. This is where I read my books, so I want to have like a small table where I can put my coffee or my water or my books or whatever. So I'm going to be making one really small. It's gonna be black and round. It's gonna be super easy, and I'm going to be using some PVC that I just get from my dad's garage. We're going to use that because it's what I have, and I want to make this project really on a budget. So yeah, I'm really excited for that project, so let's get started. Okay, so we have two pieces already. We need two more because we're going to use two for the top, two for the bottom, for the base and the top of the table. So this is how they look. We're going to use two sizes to make the table a little bit more stable. Now I'm gonna sand the edges of these boards to make them look a little bit better. We have the round PVC pieces. We have the 4 of them. Now we need to cut what is going to support the bottom and the top of the table. So for that, I got this from Home Depot. Let me show you real quick. So I got these. I think this is for stairs or something like that, but I love the shape and the design. Basically we need to cut a little bit from this part and a little bit from this other side to make it a little bit more shorter so it can work for our table. So let's get started on that. Okay, so this is the plan. We have these two round pieces. We make a hole here in the center of the smaller one, the exact same size of these wooden piece. And the plan is to put it like this. And the same on the other side. Does that make sense? I think yeah. So now we have to put these two pieces together and then this and add some nails. And I think that's the easy part, right? Day two. This is how the table is looking right now. And I really love it. I love the size. It's the perfect shape and everything for that small space that I have. Now, these used to have a screw here, just like this one. Hopefully you can hear me because it's a little bit windy. So, sorry about that. But yeah, I covered the screw using some spot clean. Now I'm going to sand this part to make it look smooth. And a little bit here too. Super windy, so let's get started with the part. Better now. Let's sand it here. Now let's start painting. For the paint color, I'm going to be using black. This is the one that I have. I paint another table using this color and this brand, and it really worked. It's Kaolin. But I think I'm going to give these 2 coats of color, let it dry, and the table is gonna be done. So let's get started on that. Okay guys, this is how our side table turned out. And I really like it. I think it's super cute. It's small, but it's perfect for this space. If I put it here, close to the... I love it. So, let's get decorated. I have my mantle already decorated, but I think we can add a few things in this space. So first I'm going to start by adding a very small rug that I have. I can't have like a big rug on my living room, so I have this one. It's from Five Below, from like 5 years ago, I don't know, something like that. And I really like it because it's going to add some texture in this area. So then, because it's Christmas, I want to add a small throw blanket here with a pattern, and this is going to work just perfect. And that's it, guys. This is how this whole area looks now, and I think it's perfect for Christmas. It's super cozy in here right now, and I really love it. I love how my project turned out, and I'm really happy about it. So I just hope that you like it too. If you do, a big thumbs up, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. So yeah, see you on the next one. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye. And Merry Christmas.